Quick little update. Hood was black, trying to match this to the factory Arctic white. It's coming together. Had a few mistakes. That was right here, some on there, some right here. Went on ahead, painted the whole side. Only thing worse than running out of parts seemed like it's running out of paint. Terrible. You can see the little blotches. You really can't tell them when you look at them straight on directly. I could just go ahead and clear coat it, but don't think I'm going to do that. I'm going to just go ahead and send out for some more paint real quick. Paint the whole side. And we'll be done. Anyway, just a little update. Coming together well.